Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try something wild. So I think the one recipe a lot of vegans really struggle to do, and like no one can do it right, is angel food cake. So I did find a recipe and I'm gonna try it. Let's get into it by making our specific gluten-free flour that she says we must use or the recipe will fail. Oh my god, y'all. Here is our final result. I hope it's fine enough. I've never done this before still. Aquafaba. Cream of tartar. We are done so far. It's looking like whipped cream. Oh my god. Okay, let me taste test this because oh my god, that tastes so good. So with this recipe, what I've learned in the past is aquafaba is something that you can't over mix, and it'll deflate, kind of like I think what eggs will do, or like other whipped cream and stuff like that, how it'll actually deflate and go the opposite direction. So with this, I'm just kind of going by judgment. She did give times of how long to be whipping for, but kind of just using my better judgment of like working with aquafaba in the past. So yeah, I'm tasting it now because I'm going to add the flours and then it's going to be nasty. So let's get back to it and follow the rest of the instructions. How much is fallen already. And we're going to add in our homemade oat flour now and fold. Just 1/4 cup at a time. It's gonna start flattening. 3/4. I'm not gonna lie, it is starting to smell like angel food cake. We're gonna be careful not to over mix because it will just deflate. I think that's going to be good here. Alrighty, let's pour. I'm gonna just give it a little shake to even it all out, and let's put this in the oven now. Okay, we've popped it in the oven. It's going in for 1 hour, which is like, oh my gosh, 1 whole hour at a lower temperature, 330. So super excited, a little bit nervous. I'm feeling very confident about this one as usual. If you have followed along, you know, I'm pretty much confident in all my recipes, even when they don't turn out. So the batter looked so good when it went in. My fear is my flour, since I made it from home. I'm not sure how to, I haven't really looked, but what I've seen in every grocery store is that you cannot find gluten-free oat flour specifically. So I have to check online, but it seems like a little bit of a rare item. So I just made it my own. My friend said he makes it all the time at home, so I'm guessing it's good, but the flour isn't as fine as like a regular flour. Like it's not that fine and dusty. I'm a little bit scared that it's going to affect how the cake works, because the finer it is, the lighter and airier it will be, and the thicker the flour, like the heavier, denser flours like almond or even the chickpea, I was like, it's kind of heavy. As you could see in the video, it flattened a lot once I added those 2 tablespoons in, which to me, I'm like, crazy. Why wouldn't you just add it in with the flour? But whatever. Whatever, it's not my recipe. So I just followed it exactly. And yeah, so I am so excited for this. I think it's gonna taste so good, even if, yeah, I think it's gonna taste so good. We'll check back in 1 hour. Actually, we're going to go and make some whipped cream, coconut whipped cream, because I didn't buy any at the store. So I just have a can in the fridge, and let's get that made up for our cake. Our timer has gone off. Let's check on our cake. Y'all, I definitely think this is overcooked for sure. It does seem spongy, so yeah. I was trying to creep on it through the door because I didn't want to open it and it fall, so yeah, I couldn't see it because it was so low. So yeah, I'm still have hopes it'll taste good, but yeah, I'm not sure. I guess it's not burnt, but like, I don't know. Let's let it cool and then we'll top it after. Oh my god, this is so sad. Y'all, I flipped it out. Oh my god. Oh my god. The whip is done. And yeah, that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and just put this on. And some blackberry. Oh, this is so pathetic. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna cut that. Oh my god. The inside. There is the inside, y'all. Let's give it a taste. No. 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 I hope it's because it's overcooked. But just no. That ain't it. Sad. But hey, you gotta try it to know. So ugh. The one thing that was delicious, however, was the coconut whipped cream. That worked out quite well. Not really fluffy, but it did kind of like solidify up on the cake. I ate all the blackberries and then some of the whipped cream. Yeah, it kind of solidified up, so happy with the whipped cream. All right, that will be it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed my fail. And if you know a recipe or really have figured out the angel food cake vegan and gluten-free, let me know. I would love to try a recipe and or your tips that you might have for me. So with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye.